The government has taken decisive action against fraudsters posing as against for governmental jobs. All the complaints received so far have been promptly converted into first information reports. Police have already arrested 43 accused so far. In these cases, property such as vehicles, gold ornaments, bank accounts, and other articles have been seized by the police. Already 3 such cases have been charge sheeted and are pending in trial courts. I am confident that my government will take the cases in a logical end. My government has given free hand to the police authorities in the state to take up such matter with other appropriate agencies such as Enforcement Directorate and Financial Intelligence Unit. According to 16 such cases, information have been shared with the relevant agencies. My government has established Goa Staff Selection Commission to ensure transparent and merit-based recruitment for government jobs and eliminated any opportunity for fraudulent individuals to falsely claim as government job agents. My government has ensured that the law and order situation in the state remained under control. The most significant features of policing during 2024-25 up to November 2024 is that the detection percentage has gone up to 88.38%. The national crime rate studies also please be looked into by all our members.